Hello and welcome. In this video you will learn how to navigate the Ulster Settlers Database. This can be found at www.ulster-settlers.clericus.ie. To access biographical entries within the database, select the People tab located at the top right hand corner of the screen, or by selecting the Search Database button located beneath the About section on the home page. The People page is made up of two parts. On the right is the People section, used to search and access biographical entries, and on the left is the Filter section, used to filter or refine entries. You can learn more about the People search page by selecting the Help icon located on the top right hand corner of the screen next to the Search button. You can access entries within the database by using either the Simple Search or Advanced Search options. For example, a search for the first name Richard will return over 330 results. These results can be filtered according to linked database entities, such as events, organizations, resources, dates, and locations. The ability to filter by gender is also available. Let's take a closer look at the entry for Richard Fixer. Help texts are once again available for each listed entity by selecting their respective help icon. Each entity can be searched and refined by selecting the magnifying glass. As an example, searching residence under events will return any instance where Fixer's place of residence was recorded. In this instance, we can see that Fixer was living in Ahar in 1628. To learn more about a particular entity, visitors can select any blue text within the database entry they are examining. Users can also choose to search the database's events and organizations. You can also access the Ulster Settlers Database through the website's visualization features. These features can be accessed via the website's homepage. Taking the spatial distribution feature as an example, you can view different events mapped across Ulster. To explore further, select the active links in blue to obtain more information on different entities within the database.